Hi guys, my name's Ellie, welcome to my channel, and today we are doing Wantable, and I have to open it. So, I got this earlier this week, and I just haven't had time to sit down and look at it, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be due back soon, and I have to have enough time to take it to the post office. That's a word. So, don't have the best light. Hopefully it'll be good enough. We'll see what happens. So, oh, this is interesting. On top is a bag, which I'm not entirely mad at. It's a decently large bag, and I like olive green things. So, let's see. You don't tell me what you cost, which would be helpful. So it's got two side pockets and like a zippered inner pocket and some outer pockets. This is a lot. Let me look at that in a little bit. Let's get on in, and they sent me more jewelry. Let's see what's going on. So these are cute. It's two little studs with what has to be cubic zirconia on it. They're cute. We're putting them right back in the bag because I don't wear earrings enough for that, and my ears aren't healed yet. And $46. That's too much for earrings that aren't a real gemstone. For me. Alright, what is this? Oh, this holds some promise. It is a nice, very red V-neck t-shirt. It's very soft, long-sleeved. That could be good for fall. We'll chuck it over there for try-on time. And another top. Oh, what are you doing? Ooh, this is conflicting because I am not the biggest fan of cold shoulder tops, but my boyfriend likes them, so we'll see how it looks. Ooh, and some jeans from Cut, spelled K-U-T. Yeah, jeans. We will try those on. And another top. This looks a lot like the red top. Oh, there's some kind of drapey, angly thing happening. And what's this? Oh! This is a jacket. This is a leather jacket from blank NYC. So we will see. Jackets are really tough because I have broad as fuck shoulders and pretty sturdy arms, even for the size of my torso. So, let's get trying some stuff on. Well, we've got the last little bit of light. Surprise number one, this fits my shoulders and my arms and zips and seems to be cut pretty well. This is a danger because I do like motorcycle jackets. I would have to get used to having this come up, but like, this is cute. Goddamn. So, as much as this is not a bad outfit, I don't mind this. The sleeves are kind of tight and long in comparison to the cut of the top, but the top is cut quite nicely. This thing goes like all the way up, but it is a nice shape and length. I kind of wish there was something else wrappy done up here. We will see, but probably not going to keep this top. This one as well is cut quite nicely. The sleeves are better on this top, but again, it's just kind of standard. Again, I wish there was a little bit more detail. That does hit at a pretty good point for work. It's not too far down, but it is still better than just like all the way up. We'll see. I'm not that invested in this top. I don't mind the fit of this top. It's pretty good. It's soft. Again, the V-neck is nice. I hate the way that cutout looks. I feel ridiculous. like this doesn't belong on this shirt. I'm very conflicted on these pants because the fit is very nice. They have just a little extra room in the thighs. There's nothing that feels tight. The waistband is fitting nicely, but with the distressed patches, I would not likely wear this to work. And it's just a little bit long, which you can't really see from that angle, but yeah. That's really unfortunate because these have a really nice fit, but I wouldn't get a ton of use out of them, and they're a little too long, even though they're cuffed, and I could just roll that differently. I don't know. No, I haven't made my bed. No, I don't care. I'm quite tempted by this purse because it has a lot of pockets. It's got like a nice beige lining. This is just kind of some open side pockets. But let me annoyingly get in here while holding a camera. You're going to hate this. You guys are just going to hate this filming process. But it's got like little side pockets. It's got a nice little zipper pocket over there, so it'd be really good for holding all the different components and having things sectioned off. And let's real quick put it on, let you see how the size comparison is. Focus on me. Yeah, so it's about that size, what I consider a reasonable purse size that I can actually keep stuff in, but isn't like super in the way. And it's got 2 straps. It's a color I like. I don't know. Okay, quick last of the light comments. I looked at the prices. I did the self-checkout. My hair's a mess from trying a bunch of stuff on. I am keeping the motorcycle jacket. I have wanted one of these for a really long time, and they've always been a little too tight in the shoulders or just cut a little shorter than I liked. This was really, really nice, really, really good for how I wanted it to look and how I wanted it to fit. And I kind of justified it by the price was $98. Would I, off the rack, pick this up for $100? No. But I've already used my $20 that you automatically do as your subscription. That goes towards what you're taking off of it. So if I found this in store and I tried it on and it fit so well and it looked so nice and it was something I've wanted for a very long time, we're talking like 10 years, I've been itching for a motorcycle jacket that fit right on me, but also not looking enough to like really get one custom made. Would I pay $80 for it? Probably. So I did. Everything else is going back. The purse, as nice as it is and as good of a fit with my style and utility, I have a purse that I already use. Actually, I have several purses, and I can't really justify bringing that one in unless something is damaging to my other ones. And I have another purse that I've been eyeing that I want just a little bit more than that one. It is a nice purse. I did give them nice little notes about it was fantastic. If it had been a little cheaper, I might have considered it a little bit more, but it was $78 for the purse, and not quite that kind of a purse. Yeah, most of it was for the top with the cutout shoulders. That's because I didn't like the cutout shoulders and how that cut was. They're very particular. That's one of those things where if it's not quite right, it ruins everything. The jeans. The jeans were really hard because they fit so well. So nicely, and if they didn't have the distressing, like the hole in it, I very well might have kept them, but I'm not likely to wear them to work with distressing on them, and I need my clothes to be stuff. I spend most of my time in my work clothes, so I need them to be work usable. And the tops. The black top was nice. I really wish the sleeves were just a little looser, but again, for the price, I would like something a little bit fancier. And the red top fit really nicely, really nice color, but again, just a little bit more than I want to pay for an item like that. I think that's everything. So, thank you guys for watching. I think they had a better selection this time. Oh, yeah, of course I'm not keeping the earrings. I'm really not interested in jewelry from these types of brands. I want to find more interesting stuff. Handmade things. Just me. Yeah. I think we had a better selection this time, kind of renewed my faith. I kind of had the mindset going in if this wasn't a really good box, I was probably going to cancel it. But this was a pretty good box. I just just a little expensive, which is kind of what you get with these types of subscription boxes, is that things are going to be a little bit more expensive than you want, but it's already there to kind of tempt you into keeping it. And it works on some things. So, I'm very excited. We're going into fall. I'm going to use this. I'm going to wear it. I'm going to be so fashionable. I'm probably not going to look fashionable in this, but I'm going to be excited, and that's all that matters, is that I'm happy wearing what I have. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.